Okay, we have this question, f of x equal to 10 to the x plus 1. We want to find the inverse of this function. All right, so the inverse notation, first what we're looking at this, we're looking at f inverse of x. That's the notation. All right, the first thing is we're going to change the f of x to y, which is the same thing, but it's easier to do it algebraically. So the first thing is that we change it to y, and then we have to switch x and y, because the inverse is always, inverse of the function is always reflected over the line y equal to x. Is it the diagonal line? And that's what happens. Okay, we're going to rewrite now. Now we get x equal to 10 to the y plus 1. Now we have to solve. We take the log of both sides, because we want to bring the y down, and y is the exponent. That's the only way we can do this. We have to use the log function. So log of 10 to the y plus 1. So we took the log of both sides, and now we're going to use log law. So this is y plus 1 to the front multiplied by log of 10, and to the left we have log of x, and that's what we have. Now log of 10, that's 1, because that's base 10. So what we have left is log of x equals y plus 1. We are solving for y. That's what we want. We want to have y equals to, and then rewriting this becomes y equals to log of x minus 1. Now this is the inverse function, which is log of x minus 1, and the inverse function of f of x. Okay, simple as that.